Hello, welcome to the Kat Scrappiness channel. This is April with the design team, and I'm here to introduce you to our new Build a Cake die set. Perfect timing for wedding season. So we have an 11-piece die set. All the measurements will be listed down below. I've die cut all the pieces for you, and now I'm going to show you how this set goes together. So we're going to take this very thin bottom piece, and this is basically the bottom of our cake platter that the cake's going to sit on. So I'm going to glue that down, and then I'm going to glue this first large oval down. And these all tuck really nicely together, and it goes together super fast. And once you've seen it done, you can put it together super quick. So I do suggest using a little liquid glue so you can wiggle things around when you need to. And so here's our first tier, our bottom tier of the cake. And I'm just going to tuck that on that platter. I just have the edges on both sides. Those bottom edges meet up with the round part of that bottom oval, and they fit perfect in there. And then at the very bottom of that bottom tier front, you're going to place our first bow. And these are super delicate and super fine, but they are the perfect accent for this die set. And now I'm going to take and put this oval on, and this is the top of our first tier. Honestly, if this is all you need, you have a great little cake. So now we're going to move on to the second tier, and I'm taking the bottom part of the cake front, tucking it up so those edges of that little strip meet up with that rounded edge of that oval. I'm making sure it's even on both sides so my cake doesn't end up topsy-turvy. And now I'm going to take the second part of that cake front for that second tier, and I'm leaving just a sliver of space for my bow to fit into perfectly. It doesn't take much. Like I said, this is a pretty delicate, thin little bow here, but they fit right down in here perfectly, and it looks so cute. So we're going to tuck that in there, and then I'm going to grab the second tier cake top and put a little glue on that and nestle that right in there, and again it fits perfectly. And then we're going to finish by putting our third tier on. But again, right here we have a two-tiered cake if that's all you're wanting. Going to grab the bottom piece of the front of that third tier. I'm going to take and put a little bit of glue on it. And again, I'm going to put that on the top of the tier underneath it and have the edges of that piece meet up with the rounded edges of the top of that second tier. Gonna leave just a little bit of space when I put that second piece to this tier's front in. Enough room for that bow again. And take that bow, put a little bit of glue on that, and nestle that right in there between those two pieces of the third tier cake front. And then all we have left is to put the third tier top of the cake on. And once you've done this once, it goes together super fast, and it totally makes sense and takes no time at all to assemble. And I think you have endless possibilities: birthdays, weddings, bridal showers, anniversaries. Possibilities are endless. Anything you need a cake for, you can use this and make a cake. So there we go. This is our three-tiered Build a Cake die set assembled for you. So next I have a couple samples for you. This is the one that could be for a wedding or a bridal shower. And then I have another one that's an anniversary, and I had like a golden anniversary in mind when I put it together. And so I hope you check out below if you want to see the measurements for this die. Check out below where you can buy this die. Make sure to visit the Kat Scrappiness shop. Please give our channel a like and a subscribe. Thank you so much for stopping by.